Yo guys, welcome back to Chelsea Boy, and I'm back on screen in another video. And today I'm basically gonna review the SWAT truck. I've completed all challenges, maxed out my dealership. I can't even call it a dealership, police station I could say. And then the SWAT truck, and I just fell on the ground. The SWAT truck is a ripoff. Not really a ripoff, but wish you could stand on the sides of it, but you can't. I think he's going to make that possible sooner or later. But besides that, the SWAT truck, drives normally. Lights and sirens works, I guess. The cool thing about this is that the front and back actually light up. You're not gonna see it that well because it's daytime. But SWAT truck is slow. It's slow, and I think it's only good at like what, 2 or 3 races: the El Dorado race and both off-road races. Yeah, boy. Subscribe now. Subscribe. I say subscribe. I hate voice cracks, man. Peace. Goodbye, Shadow Fan.